Hello and welcome to episode 4 of HyperSpace, the fast space breakdown place coming to you from colorful Colorado. On today's episode, we'll look at some major activity from July 11th and 12th, with Virgin Galactic and Sir Richard Branson winning the Battle of the Suborbital Billionaires this past weekend. We'll also check in with our new friend A Shortfall of Gravitas before finishing off the day in Boca Chica. That's all coming up on HyperSpace. Starting off today's episode is Virgin Galactic's Unity 22 mission. Pilot David McKay and co-pilot Michael Masucci took 4 passengers on a suborbital flight to the edge of space aboard Virgin Galactic's Virgin spaceship Unity on the morning of July 11th. Virgin Galactic's Spaceship 2s, such as the Unity, are deployed from a dual-fuselage mothership known as the Virgin Mothership Eve. The VMS Eve took off from Spaceport America in New Mexico at roughly 9:40 a.m. Central Time before climbing to an altitude of 14,124 meters and releasing Unity at 10:25 a.m. Central. Spaceship 2's main engines performed a full-duration burn of 60 seconds, kicking the VSS Unity to an altitude of more than 86 kilometers while exceeding speeds of Mach 3. Known as Rocket Motor 2, the Spaceship 2's engine is a hybrid engine powered by a solid fuel known as HTPB, with a full name that I'm not even going to try to pronounce, and liquid nitrous oxygen. The VMS Eve is custom built to launch the Spaceship 2 and upcoming Spaceship 3 and is a rather strange-looking plane. The best way to describe it is 2 planes sharing a single wing. If you have the time, I'd highly recommend rewatching Virgin Galactic's stream of Saturday's mission just to see the Eve and, of course, Unity's release and trip to space. Among the passengers was the founder of the Virgin Group, Sir Richard Branson. Branson's successful 5-minute and 41-second jaunt to space made him the winner of the billionaire space race against Jeff Bezos and Blue Origin's New Shepard, which is scheduled to launch no earlier than July 20th. There has also been some debate as to whether or not Branson can truly claim victory in this race. The international standard of the 100-kilometer Kármán line, established in the 1960s, was not broken by the VMS Unity. The United States government and NASA, however, consider the edge of space to be 80 kilometers above our home world. Regardless of the definition of space you use, Saturday's mission marks an important milestone in the commercialization of space travel. Moving on from Unity 22, SpaceX is still in the middle of their expected launch lull, but we come closer and closer to resuming Falcon 9 launches each day. Following the successful sea trials last week, the new autonomous spaceport Droneship A Shortfall of Gravitas began its journey from Port Fourchon, Louisiana to Port Canaveral in Florida earlier this week. The landing barge is currently being towed by the tug Finn Folgout, which has a history of towing SpaceX's landing platforms. Upon arrival later this week, ASOG will join Just Read the instructions to support Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy recovery operations out of Port Canaveral. And as always, we make our way back to SpaceX's Starbase facility in South Texas for our Boca Chica Roundup. Starship Super Heavy Booster BN3's test campaign began in earnest on July 12th with the performance of a cryogenic pressure test. BN3 was filled with cryogenic liquid to verify the structural integrity of the vehicle, as well as the methods used to build it. Following the apparent success of the test, 3 Raptor engines were installed on the bottom of BN3. These engines will almost certainly be used for an upcoming static fire test, possibly before the end of the week. And with that, we conclude the 4th episode of HyperSpace. In the coming days, we'll watch for further testing in Boca Chica, along with Bezos' New Shepard flight and the launch of a new module for the International Space Station from Roscosmos. If you enjoyed today's episode, please share it with your friends and family, and as always, thanks for listening, and keep trucking.